Hi everyone. This might seem like an odd test, but there are robotic mowers that claim to be able to mow in the rain and have proven successful doing it. Can RoboUP mow in this? This day's storm isn't any old storm, it's Debby, formerly known as Hurricane Debby, but she's been downgraded to a tropical storm at this point. Just so you know, the developers don't really recommend this. In fact, there is a setting that engages a sensor on top of the mower to return to the base station to wait out the rain. But that's not for the safety of this mower, it's to protect the lawn from digging into the muddy turf. Wow, we got quite a bit of rain and Robbie is doing great, except for the mud and the tires. The lawn isn't getting damaged at all though. I think that we both look great. Looks like Debby might be moving out. This is the calm after the storm. Isn't the RoboUP doing well despite all that rain? And it's so quiet, too. Gotta go, take care. Bye, please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks.